Hi, welcome back to HOSTBOX channel and back to the tutorial for computer networks. Today we're going to see the topic called asymmetric cryptography with example, real-time example. So this tutorial definitely helpful for the people who want to crack the exam like UGC gate and so on, and who want to strong in the fundamentals of network security and so on. Let's go for session today. So this is session today. We're going to see what is asymmetric cryptography and also the RSA algorithm the example with why and what is the purpose of the asymmetric cryptography and so on. Before seeing that, in between we see the basic things. In asymmetric, we are in the previous session I explained about what is cryptography and what are the types of cryptography like symmetric cryptography and so on with the example. So this is a continuous class. Please kindly check the playlist when you have doubt and for continuous classes. In asymmetric cryptography, what will happen is the private key is kept by one public key and one private key to prevent unauthorized entry or usage here. And anybody can use a public key to encrypt. Find out here document so that only the expected receiver can decrypt with their private key. Most probably here we are following the mathematical formulation, so no one can easily enter and hack the information. A private key or secret key is only known to the key generator. When anyone tries to submit an encrypted message, they will be using a shared directory to retrieve the responding public key and use it to encrypt the message until submitting it. Remember. And the message will then be decrypted by the receiver using the associated private key. Let's see the scenario here. So now we see what is the asymmetric cryptography. Here the cryptography uses two different keys for encryption and decryption. The key used for encryption is the public key and the key used for encryption is the decryption is the private key. Let's assume that the public key is the private key is the scenario original text. So whenever the sender sends the original text, it will be received by the receiver. Same original text, it may be converted to the encryption format, then again decrypted with some formula, and at last receiver can receive the key with the help of private key. So encrypting using the public key, decryption done by the private key. Let's see the example. So let's assume that Alice, the person, want to send the communicate with a Bob, another person. So here he want to send a message called "Call me today." It using Bob's public key to encrypt it here. So it will the original message convert to encrypted format, then decrypted using Bob's private key decrypt. So the Bob can use the decrypt key, the decrypted key to download the same original message. At last, Bob can receive the message called "Call me today." So it happened very simply with the help of public key and the private key here. So simple and easy concept here. Here, what is purpose? Here is often the symmetric key is often used to check the authenticity of the data using the digital signature. Moreover, what is digital signature here? Before seeing the applications, you know, a digital signature is a cryptographic technique for verifying the validity and credibility of a message here, software or digital record. Let's see some of the applications of asymmetric key. Why we prefer today? Because the digital signatures to maintain authenticity of documents. So whenever sender sends document, it be with some secure mechanism. And next one is managing cryptocurrency transactions securely and also encrypted browsing sessions for better protection against hackers. So encrypted browsing sessions for better protection against hackers, especially for banking, net banking. When you go for net banking, these are very important. Moreover, sharing keys for symmetric key cryptography is very simple and easy. Then you go for RSA algorithm. Best example for application of RSA best example is RSA encryption. So these are the one best example based on asymmetric algorithm approach designed by Ron Rivers, Adisamir, Leonard Adelman. Moreover, this most valuable when encrypting data in transit, the real-time value. These are today in the real-time value used with VPN services, email transfer, messaging applications, and so on. Let's go for the applications. Some of the advantages. Why you prefer comparing with the advantages over symmetric cryptography? Because no need of sharing secret key here. There is no need of sharing secret keys and proof of owner's authenticity. That means the third party can't do anything without knowing the private key or with the help of public key like that. And longer key lengths mean here stronger encryption, always stronger encryption for data security, and data cannot be modified in transit in the sense, suppose what are the data sent by the sender, the receiver can receive the same data, 100% guarantee legal. So what are the information sending, it should be very easy. Data cannot be modified in transit. Hackers or third party can't access the data because these private key and public key protected with some converter some mathematical formula and applications like applying the concept of RSA algorithm and so on. I hope that you understand what is asymmetric cryptography and what are the advantages, applications, and so on. Detailed discussion also. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly comment with the following social media. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you. Please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.